Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide Me Tutorials. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to set Google Chrome as your default browser. I'm doing this on Windows 10, but if you're using Windows 11, don't worry, the steps are basically the same. So let's get started. First, I'm going to right-click on the Start menu at the bottom left of the screen, and from the list that pops up, I'm clicking on Apps and Features. Once that opens, I'll head over to the left-hand sidebar and click on Default Apps. This is where Windows lets you choose which apps open different types of files and links. Now I'm just going to scroll down until I see the Web Browser section. As you can see, mine is currently set to Microsoft Edge, which is the default browser in Windows. I'm going to click on it, and now I get a list of the browsers installed on my PC. From here, I'm selecting Google Chrome. Just a simple click, and boom, Chrome is now my default browser. That's all it takes. From now on, every link I open will go straight to Chrome instead of Edge. Thanks a lot for watching. If you found this helpful, go ahead and hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy tech tutorials like this. See you in the next one.